Hey, what's up, YouTube? Car Addict here. You're searching for a video to replace the battery in the key fob. You don't want a bunch of crap. So here we go. Fast as I can. Pull that slide to get your key out. See the groove right there? You jam the key into that like so. Turn the key. It pops it apart. Okay, on the top side right here, put your thumbnail. It's hard to do this while I'm recording. Thumbnail under the key. Try to pop it out while you catch that little tab right there, or that one, depending on which hand you use. Pull that while you try to get the battery out. Some more. Okay. Get your 2032. If it's got the little thing on the bottom, peel it off. Okay. Put it in that way first, under the tabs. Pop the battery in. Put the back on. Push down here. Work your way to the top. Just pop it together. Slide your key back in. There you go. Done. Thanks for watching.